Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to add your PayPal to Soundcloud. PayPal is a convenient and secure way to pay for Soundcloud subscriptions. If you're already paying with a credit or debit card and want to switch to PayPal, you'll need to cancel your current subscription first and then subscribe again using PayPal after your current plan expires. Now let's get started. First, open SoundCloud in your browser or the mobile app and sign into your account. Now go to your subscriptions page. If you're currently paying with a credit or debit card and only want to update your card details, click Edit, then select Manage Your Billing, enter your new card information, and save your changes. If you want to switch to PayPal, first cancel your current subscription, then wait until your current plan reaches its expiration date. After that, go back to the subscriptions page. Now choose the subscription plan you want, then proceed to the payment screen. After that, select PayPal as your payment method. Now sign in to your PayPal account and authorize the payment. Finally, confirm your subscription and your new SoundCloud plan will be activated using PayPal. If you're an artist pro creator, don't worry if your plan expires before you renew. Your tracks won't be deleted. If you exceed the free upload limit, some older tracks may be hidden temporarily and will become visible again once your new subscription is active. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.